Go ahead.
As individual members of a class, we came together to form a team. Presented with an opportunity, we set out to understand process and to connect designer with user through design thinking. In 6 days, we traveled around the Dominican Republic, installing a total of 65 water filters to 5 different bateys surrounding the city of La Romana. We experienced, embraced, and internalized an understanding for the people who share their culture with us. To continue to bring safe water, hope, and dignity to people all over the world, we recognize opportunities within the communities. The implementation of the Biosand water filter has ensured safety, quality, and sustainability. To keep and continuously improve the health of the people being served, we as people, as designers, can communicate through design a shared vision paired with an innovative technology, a way for families to successfully incorporate water treatment and bettered health into their everyday lives.